the last example, I had explained to you how can you create a company in Tally. In today's video, I'll be explaining to you how do you create a ledgers in Tally and how you make the entries in Tally. So let us see an example where when you start the company, we require capital account. Now, what is capital account? Capital account is nothing but when a person starts any business, he brings some money in cash. This will be his capital. So let us open Tally. Now this is my screen, which last time I had explained to you. Now this is my main screen. This is called as the gateway of Tally. In gateway of Tally, you have got some heads. Master is there, transaction is there, utility is there, and reports. Master is where you create the ledgers in Tally, or if you want to alter your ledgers. Transaction is where you do the entry part. If you are doing something about banking, then you have to come to utilities. And report is where you can see your entries, or if you want to take out a printout, or if you want to make some changes in that entry. So I'll have to come here, reports. So these are your main heads of your Tally. So for this entry that I have to do about your capital account, I have got 6 partners, and this is the money which they are investing in your company, and that is how their mode of payment, about how they are making. Some are paying by cash, some are paying by check. All those people are paying by check. I'm saying that they are paying by one only bank, that is that Union Bank, I'm saying. So first of all, I'll have to create these ledgers in Tally. The rule in Tally is that you have to first create the ledgers. If I don't create the ledgers, I will not be able to do the entries. So in Tally, if you want to make the ledgers, if there's only one partner, at the moment I have got 6 partners. Now if there's only one partner, then you can come over here. There's an option called as create. Let's use your up arrow key on your keyboard, create, enter. And then you have to come over here, ledgers, enter. And you're supposed to type the name of the partner over here. For example, if I type here Santosh, enter, enter. It will go under capital account because he is investing money in your company. So say your partner, capital account, enter, and then you can save it. Okay. But if this is only for if you have only one partner. But I don't have one partner, I have got 6 partners. So if there are more than one partner, I'll just say escape, escape, escape. So if you have more than one partner, then you have to come here, charts of accounts, enter, ledgers, enter, and you have to press the button from your keyboard, Alt H. Alt H stands for multiple create. There's an option called multiple create. Just go there and press enter. So you get a screen like this. Over here it says all items. Instead of all items, when you press space bar, you have a list of groups. There are altogether 28 groups. So if you count this thing in this list, this is your 28 groups. So I'll have to come over here, capital account, enter, because I'm doing about capital account. The first partner is Santosh. So I will just type the name over here, Santosh, enter. Opening balance, you don't type anything. They have given you over here, whether it is cash or check. If this was not given, then this amount you could have put it over here, opening balance. So at the moment, just leave it blank by pressing enter. Next partner is Priya. So I'll just type here Priya, enter. Opening balance, nothing, enter. Next is Meena, enter, enter. So either that type the name of the partners over here. Pradeep is my next partner. The next partner is Sunita. Next partner is Rajesh. So once your 6 partners is entered, just save it, enter, enter. And do you want to accept? You can press Y. So now my partners is created. I'll just escape, escape. Come to your main screen. If I press one more time escape, it will tell me that do you want to quit Tally. I don't quit Tally at the moment, so I'll say no. Now the ledger is created. In case you have made a mistake in the spelling or something, and if you would like to edit that ledger of yours, you have to come here, alter. There's an option in your main screen that is gateway of Tally, alter, enter, ledger, enter. Now these are your all these are your ledgers which I have created. Now there are two predefined ledgers which is created by Tally, which I have not created, that is cash and profit and loss. These two ledgers are inbuilt, which will come automatically. When you create a new company in Tally, these two ledgers will come automatically. The rest of the things I have created. For example, if you made any mistake in any of the names, for example, Santosh, enter, and you can change it over here, the name, or if you made a mistake, just go there and change it, enter. Or if by mistake you have not put it under capital account, you can change that also, enter. The rest all nothing has to be done. You can save it. Press Control A. Control A in Tally it is for saving. So once you're done with this, you can press escape, and come to your main screen. That is your gateway of Tally. So now the ledger is created, and I have also altered the ledger in case you have made a mistake. Now the entry part is remaining. So now Santosh is giving you 10 lakhs by cash. So the entry has to be done. Entry will come over here, vouchers. You can press this shortcut key, that is V. V stands for voucher, or you can use your down arrow key like this, voucher. You can come and press enter. Now here it says payment, but now this is not payment actually. It has to go under receipt, F6. So if you press this button of yours called as F6 from your keyboard, you will get this screen called as F6 receipt. Because they are investing money in your company. That means money is coming in your company. So when money is coming in your company, it has to go in receipt. So once you press receipt, Santosh is giving you back cash. So you just press C. Tally has already created this option called as cash. So you just press C, you will get cash. Enter. Then you can press space bar. You get all your partners' name over here. First partner is Santosh. I'll just go to Santosh and press enter. Now he is investing in your company 10 lakhs. So you just write 10 lakhs over here. And then you press enter. Addition you can write saying that being cash received from Santosh. So narration is like a comment where I can say that who's paying and how is he paying. So I'll just written being cash received from Santosh because Santosh is giving you 10 lakhs by cash. So I've written the narration, enter, and then you can press yes. Yes is for saving. So my first entry is done. Second entry is Priya, but she is not paying by cash, she is paying by check. So check Tally is not created actually because see, some people may pay you by Union Bank, some may pay you by State Bank of India. So that's why Tally has not created the bank. So for bank ke liye, you have to create that ledger. Now you are in your voucher screen. This screen is called as a voucher screen, and you want to make that bank. You have to press this button called as Alt C from your keyboard. So when you press Alt C from your keyboard, the screen will come. So here you can type the bank's name. I am saying that all those people are paying you by check. They are paying by this bank. That is one only bank I'm taking. That is Union Bank. Enter. Now under it will not go under capital account because it's the name of the bank. So it has to go under bank account. Enter. If the company tells you to put all these details, that is account number, IFSC code, then your bank's name, branch name, then you have to put all these details. At the moment, I'm not putting all these details. I'm just saving it. Control A. And down over here, you press your space bar. Partner's name is Priya. So just come to Priya and enter. Now she is investing 20 lakhs. So you write 20 lakhs over here. Then enter. Because she's giving you a check, so you get this screen like this. Check screen comes here. Here you don't have to do anything, just say enter and come out of the screen. Narration you can write down here being check received from Priya. Enter and then you can say yes. So my second entry also is over. Third is Meena. She is also paying by check actually. Second you will press U. U stands for Union Bank, that is check. C stands for cash. So I'll just press U, enter. Then Meena, just press space bar and come down here, Meena, enter. Now she is giving you 15 lakhs. So let us write 15 lakhs over here. Enter, 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 enter. Now instead of you typing the narration again, I can just repeat the narration which I have done the earlier narration of it by pressing Ctrl R. R stands for repeat. As you can see, it says being checked received from Priya. But Priya you remove backspace and type then Meena. Enter. Say yes. So Meena entry also is done. Next is Pradeep. He's giving by cash. So you press C over here. C stands for cash. Again space bar. Come down like this. Arrow keys. Pradeep. He's giving you 7 lakhs. So you write 7 lakhs over here. Enter. Enter. Now if I press Ctrl R, that is repeat, it will give you check Y because this is not check. So you'll have to remove the entire thing again. Backspace you can remove by instead of check you just write down the cash received from Pradeep. Okay, enter. Then yes. Next is Sunita. Again she is giving back cash. So I can just press C over here, cash, space bar, and come to Sunita. Enter. Now she is giving you 10 lakhs. So you write 10 lakhs over here. Enter, enter. Now you can press Ctrl R because the last entry that I've done was cash. You can see being cash received from Pradeep. Pradeep you remove using backspace and type your Sunita. Enter, and then you can say yes. So Sunita entry also is done. Next, last is Rajesh. He is paying by check but again you press U, Union Bank, and type your Rajesh. Space bar you press and come here Rajesh. Enter. Now he is giving you 5 lakhs. Enter, enter, enter. Now if I press Ctrl R again, it will give you cash over here because this is not cash, this is check. So you have to use your backspace, remove the entire thing, and just write down here check received from Rajesh. So my 6th entry is over. Yes. So I've done all my partner's account which I had to enter. Once you have finished entering all the entries, now I would like to check. For checking, you have to just press escape key from your keyboard and press yes. For to check these entries, what you've done, just come to display option. You can press D. D stands for display. Then you have to come to account books. You can press A stands for account books. Then you have to come to group summary. G stands for group summary. And then you use your down arrow key like this and come down over here and come to your capital account because we have done about capital account. So just go there and press enter. So as you can see, this enter all your partners and with the amount is come here. The total should be 67 lakhs. If you add up this entire thing, the total comes to 67 lakhs. If it is not coming to 67 lakhs, that means we have made some mistake. So if you want to check if you have made some mistake, you can just go there wherever you made a mistake. Just go there. For example, you are saying Priya, just go there and press enter, 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 and you can change the value here, enter, enter, and then after that you can save it. Just press enter, enter, and you can say yes. You say escape, 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 escape till you come to your main screen. So this is one way of checking. But suppose I tell you that if I would like to check who have paid you by cash, who have paid you by check. In that case, you come again to display more reports by pressing D. D stands for display more reports. Account books. A stands for account books. And then you can come here. Cash and bank. First option. Enter. This much cash has been paid to you. 27 lakhs. And this much check has been given. Union Bank, that is 40 lakhs. If I want to check my cash entry, just come to cash. Enter. Enter. So here I can check also. See, wherever you made a mistake, just go there, enter, enter. You can check it also. Escape, escape. So these are your 3 people who have paid you by cash. That is Santosh, Pradeep, and Sunita. and that is the amount which they are investing in your company. Escape, escape. If I want to check my Union Bank, that is bank, Union Bank, enter, enter. So these are your three people who have paid you by bank. So here is the Meena and Raja, that is the amount. So press escape, 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 till you come to your main screen. So I hope you have understood how you can make the entries in Tally about your capital account. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my Excel and Tally tricks. Thank you.